All right, folks, let's dive into this digital madness. We're talking about website builders today. You've got Wix and Duda, two heavyweights in the ring. They're duking it out for your attention. These platforms are making it possible for anyone to create a website. But here's the thing, not all website builders are created equal. Wix and Duda are no different. They've each got their own flavor, their own style, and that's what we're going to break down today. So buckle up, folks. Let's get this party started. Let's talk about Wix, the 800-pound gorilla of website builders. This thing is everywhere. It's like the McDonald's of the digital world. You can't escape it. Wix has got some serious muscle behind it. We're talking millions of users worldwide. As of 2024, Wix is powering over 200 million websites. One of the things that makes Wix so popular is its template library. They've got over 800 designer-made templates. And the best part? You can customize the hell out of these templates. But here's where Wix really shines. It's app market. You want to add a booking system? There's an app for that. Need a chat feature? Boom, there's an app for that too. It's pretty damn impressive, I gotta say. Now let's switch gears and talk about Duda. This is the underdog in our story. Duda's got some serious tricks up its sleeve. Duda's claim to fame? Mobile optimization. These guys are obsessed with making websites look good on phones. It's like they're building websites with thumbs in mind. But Duda's not just about mobile. Their widget builder is pretty slick. You can create custom features without knowing a lick of code. And here's something cool. Duda's big on teamwork. They've got these collaboration tools that make it easy for teams to work on a website together. Duda keeps everything in one place. Section 4, ease of use, drag, drop, and roll. All right, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. How easy are these things to use? Because let's face it, not everyone's a tech whiz. Both of these platforms are designed with beginners in mind. Let's start with Wix. Their editor is what they call drag and drop. You see something you like, you drag it where you want it, and boom, it's there. It's so intuitive, even my grandma could figure it out. Duda's not far behind in the ease of use department. They've also got a drag and drop editor. They've got this thing called responsive design. It stretches and shrinks to fit whatever screen it's on. So it really comes down to what you're comfortable with. Do you want total creative control? Go with Wix. Want something that's harder to mess up? Duda might be your best bet. Section 5, pricing bang for your buck. Now let's talk money, because at the end of the day, that's what it all comes down to, right? The good news is, both Wix and Duda offer free plans. The bad news? Those free plans come with some pretty big limitations. Let's break down Wix first. Their pricing is like a buffet. As of 2024, their paid plans start at about $16 per month. But if you want to remove Wix ads from your site, you're looking at closer to $27 per month. Now, Duda's pricing is a different beast altogether. As of 2024, they've got three main plans. The basic plan starts at $19 per month. Duda's top-tier plan, which includes all the bells and whistles, is actually cheaper than Wix's equivalent. You've got to look at what you're getting for your money, not just how much you're spending.